You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is f equals -188. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 4/9 to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the f. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 18/(-1). Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is f equals -188.